Hello everyone, my name is Bree and welcome to Documented Journey. So today's video is going to be a Take 5 challenge and I get to pick the prompts this month. So this is the prompt list for December, and the 5 prompts that I chose is some kind of text, watercolor, ballpoint pen, green, and botanicals. So I thought that I've been kind of like, I sketched her out and I've been kind of sketching more. I have another one, hang on. Let me show you. I have a couple. And I've been sketching these out. I have not done girls in a while, so I've been kind of bringing them back because I was thumbing through my old sketchbooks and I came across one sketchbook just filled with them. And so I was like, oh, you know, I need to maybe try that again. And when I did that, I tried something like this. Hang on, I'm trying to find it. But I tried this girl. And I really liked the idea of me adding botanicals with the girl, if you get what I'm saying. So I wanted to show you, this popped out while I wanted to show you kind of what I used to do. And there are tutorials on my channel of all of these, of this one, which is a surprised face, of this one, which is pleased, this is sad, and this is just like a neutral face. And with these, I kind of go over how to make a mouth, how to make eyes, noses, all that kind of stuff. And I talk about how and why I do the hair that I do. I think in this one we talked about doing different colors in the face, just bringing in different colors in the face to make it look more cohesive. And then we did some regular skin tones and stuff like that. So I think what I'm going to do is I am going to do one of these girls, and I'm going to add in some botanicals kind of similar to what you saw in my sketchbook. Now, sad day because I cannot find my Take 5 art booklet. You know what I'm talking about, my traveler's notebook. I'm not sure where that went. Now, of course, I cleaned my whole area and now I can't find it. So that does not surprise me, but it's okay. We're going to do it in here because if it turns out pretty well, then I'll probably make her into a sticker, just like this one. This one is in my shop right now. I just put it up a couple days ago, and she is going fast. So you might want to go and get her if you haven't already. She is called Dream Girl on Etsy, and I can leave my Etsy in the description box for you. So this is not going to be like a tutorial. I'm probably going to do a voiceover, and I might walk you through some of the steps, but for the most part, this is just a process video. Like I said, we'll be using ballpoint pen, we'll be using watercolor, we will be using some kind of text, botanicals, and green, obviously. So I think that's it. So let's get started.